Oh, I'm sorry. I'll put it down now. I'm all yours, promise.
So how was your day? Must be nice to have the luncheon off your calendar.
It was...
Linda.
Wait, where are you going?
Does it matter? You're not here. Why should I be?
I'm sorry, I'm running everything right now.
I run a company too. Remember? But I still know when to set it aside and enjoy the company of someone I care about. Someone I love. Can I ask you something? Are you enjoying it?
Enjoying what?
Everything. Your life. You told me working out used to be your release. Your time to get away from all the stresses of the day. Is it still?
It's different now.
That wasn't the question. But it is the answer I expect.